What's up guys, I decided to come on here and show you how I made this acrylic drawer right here for $6. They normally bring you about 30 to 60 up to like well over $100 for these acrylic drawers. So if you want to see how I made this drawer, just keep on watching. So basically this is the only thing you will need, these little dollar containers that I found at Dollar Tree. Each of these costs $1. They are sold individually. What they are little drawers. I call them acrylic, but they're more made out of plastic, but you can't tell because they're very sturdy. You're gonna need some super glue to glue these boxes together. Clear super glue is better so you can't detect where you put the super glue. You can stack these drawers however you want to stack them, 6 on top of each other, 2 next to each other, however you want to stack them, however many you want to buy. I am stacking mine like this and I'm going to super glue them all together. This DIY is quite simple. You just keep super gluing all the drawers until they're all glued together. Here's an optional step. I found this bling in my drawer, so I'm just going to put them on the knobs of the drawer. Here's what it looks like after I got done gluing all the bling onto the knobs. And that is it, guys. Here is my vanity set. As you see, I have a lot of acrylic drawers, and I'm going to zoom in on the one that I just created. Thanks guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.